Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add code to your Wix website to monetize it. This is a powerful way to generate revenue by displaying ads or affiliate content directly on your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your site management. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important checkpoint to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add a code to and monetize. Double-checking now saves you time later, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct site, look for the Design Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full editing interface where you can customize and enhance your website's functionality. After clicking Design Site, you'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation panel and click on it. This opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your site. Once you click it, you'll see the Elements menu expand and present you with a comprehensive list of elements you can use to customize your website. Since we're looking to monetize using a code, what we can do is join a partner program. For example, if you wanted to advertise YouTube Premium or any other affiliate product, you'd need a way to embed that code directly into your site. Look for the Embed Code element under the popular Embed section. Click on Embed HTML. You'll see a plus button next to it. Go ahead and click the plus button to add it to your website. Now this is where the monetization actually begins. You'll see a code editor open up with the embed element we've just added. This is your workspace for inserting the HTML code that will display your ads or affiliate content. Simply paste in the HTML code here to advertise and monetize from your website. This could be an ad code from Google AdSense, an affiliate banner from Amazon, or any other partner program you're working with. Once you paste the code, it will render on your site and start displaying the content, allowing you to earn revenue from clicks or impressions. And there you have it. You've successfully added monetization code to your Wix website, opening up a new revenue stream for your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.